You get me? And for the older man, them now look on the young youth and come give them no energy, come give them no strength, come give them no song, no advice. Not even like advice, my youth.
So DJ Mac, one of the youngest and hottest producer right now, is about to work with the biggest dancehall artists in our history. Vybz Cartel always give the youths them strength. When you hear the artists them or the young producer them talk about older artists, take Vybz Cartel out tight. You see me? Vybz Cartel up to the time and him always give the youths them strength. And why this is a good look for DJ Mac and why working with Vybz Cartel is like buying some crypto coins and holding them as investment and cashing them in later. But I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. If a Real Talk me make, you like the video, subscribe to the channel and type Real Talk in the comment section. And if you want to support the channel, the link to the PayPal I got there in the description. Big up everybody. We are forward from over the main channel where I continue the reasoning. So if you're new, you just subscribe to the channel where I collaborate with that my main channel. And the reason why I tell you that is a continuous reasoning as like part 1 and part 2. You see me? Part 1 and part few. Why for that? But yo, too much talking. So brother, every producer right now, they would like for record Vybz Cartel. No matter how you hear them talk or if them young or them old, every producer want the opportunity for record the biggest dancehall artists we ever forward out of Jamaica. You see me? And DJ Mac would be no different. Remember DJ Mac is one of the youngest and the hottest producer right now. And him have one of the baddest rhythm where chop up the place. And knowing Vybz Cartel, we know so Vybz Cartel they go jump on it. And everybody know, but as me say, over the main channel, me always hear Vybz Cartel pan the rhythm there. So why me say yo, it's a good opportunity for y'all. A man like DJ Mac and why recording or producing Vybz Cartel is like you buy some crypto coin or you buy some stocks and some bonds and hold them. Because Vybz Cartel are the artist where him can happen for give one of them song the way them last for the next 10 years, the next 20 years, them still a play. You know say Vybz Cartel him have the touch there. So you probably have a hot rhythm now and everybody a jump on it and the Vybz Cartel song probably produce one of them song the way Shorty catch me last night with a fat bro. You see me them song the way Marley's a perform and them can't hold. Somebody get ice, not nice. And as me say, we don't know what kind of song him a drop on it, but Vybz Cartel have timeless song in every category. Whether it want be weed song, marijuana, nah, any song, Vybz Cartel have classic inner. Bro, as a producer, I always hear other producers talk about Vybz Cartel like Vybz Cartel will record the intro for last and the outro first and him do the ad-libs them and you other hear producers forward pan whole heap of interview and the whole of them a say the same thing. So like Vybz Cartel is like nobody never experienced nothing like that. So as a young producer, you want experience that even though Vybz Cartel now got there face to face. But a technology time now them can record it over the phone and him get the experience the same way. Like I watch him record it and I give him some pointers how he would like it for do. Cause remember, you know, the reason why I met the topic here, because he would say, yo, it's hard for work with the old artists them. Because the old artists them no want to take no talk. It's like them too old for learn. You see me? And yeah, little youth and them no want a little youth tell us that the song they no sound good, do it over back, fix the part, they fix up the part there. You see me? So I make one know say yo, Vybz Cartel, I one of them artists the way. Him always been a boss young artists like when him a boss Russian them and not nice them a young youth like DJ Mac. So him used to for working with young artists. I know nothing new. So that's why I say when you hear the artists, them are the producer, them are talk about the older artists and veteran artists, just take Vybz Cartel out of it. You see me? Just like how them love take Vybz Cartel out of other things, artists of the year and them something there. Yeah, take him out of the old people category. Yeah, because Vybz Cartel been I work with Steve when the genius, the youngest set of producer them, Vybz Cartel bust them. So I know not no hard for Vybz Cartel work with a DJ Max. So when you hear me talk about the whole artists them hard for work with and this and that, yeah, we know I know Vybz Cartel in my talk. You see me? And yo, Vybz Cartel, and yo, you want me rate with Vybz Cartel. Him always do this, you know. You see, if him say you not reach out to him not afraid to reach out to you. You know why? Probably some people, them have ego. Or some people say, yo, Vybz Cartel that, you know, the biggest dancehall artist, you know, him not look for me. So guess what Vybz Cartel do? Him will reach out to you. And him are the bigger artists, you know. And them something they make we not have whole heap of collabs and whole heap of older artists that work with younger artists. And them something, you know. Man no want reach out to man because of ego or a man say, yo, no, so I don't think him a go want work with me because me just forward in the game. Him want work with Russian and some bigger top producer. Him no want work with me, so because Vybz Cartel know say the youths them meds them way there, him will reach out to you, man. And when him reach out to you, we know say you go happy and glad because Vybz Cartel that him can give one of them classics there. It's like how him give God is the greatest and people say, yo, God is the greatest a classic. You don't know where you go get when Vybz Cartel record for your riddim. You see me? Yes, so I rate that about Vybz Cartel. Remember, Skilly Bang tell us that Vybz Cartel reach out to him, man. Because if Vybz Cartel sit down and wait for Skilly Bang reach out to him, Skilly Bang would answer, yo, Vybz Cartel, the way how Skilly Bang idolize Vybz Cartel. Him probably nervous or say, yo, Vybz Cartel too big, me not reach out to him. So if Vybz Cartel will sit down and wait for an artist to reach out to him, you wouldn't have so much caliber. Him a young artist, or him a boss artist, cause they might say a Vybz Cartel that I'm, you know, good enough or worthy enough or whatever reason why them afraid or what to reach out to him. Yeah, Vybz Cartel just hear the rhythm and know say, yo, you see the song yeah? The way how the man love music, bro. The man did have to have all 2 songs on the rhythm there. Trust me, I pick him, gonna pick the best one. Vybz Cartel gonna have 3 songs on the rhythm there, bro. I see him Vybz Cartel no, bro, not change, you know. The man love music in a dog. You see me, but as me say, me they have to build a separate video cause me don't want the video them get too long and a reason and a clips and a whole heap of reasoning that, yeah man, but yo, one thing, me ask the question over my main channel already, but one thing, me ask it over here so to different subscribers and different viewers they over here so. Over here so have it one viewers now and that me I notice, you know. So me ask the question, what kind of song you think you might go put on the rhythm? A party song, a girl song, a weed song, one more of them hype life song there. Them kind of song that we must say, yo, me I run the place or career cut short like Nicki Minaj. Them kind of song they are my song, you see me? So more than mine, one more of them song there, him put on the rhythm. But yeah man, bro, every producer would have liked the opportunity to work with Vybz Cartel, cause you don't know if one of them gold mine that you get. You don't know if one of them timeless classic there you go get. So when everybody else song run out, last for all 1 year, it run the place for all 6 months, chances are the Vybz Cartel song probably run the place for the next 10 years, the next 20 years. You see me? Every producer, no matter who, bro, want to work with Vybz Cartel. So you see the little talk there about Gaza ship sinking. Yeah, it just all in our people them, or it all in the haters them head. Every producer, every single one of them, all the haters them, all the producer were up on the haters them side or up on the opposite side. Them who don't mind them could have a song with Vybz Cartel, bro. Yeah man, I just told them probably afraid for talk. Every producer, bro. So big up Vybz Cartel, it's a good look. Sean Storm did have something on the rhythm. I don't know if DJ might never take Sean Storm serious, but no, we probably hear the Sean Storm produce and something mix and master the right way. But yo, big up Vybz Cartel again. Are the king. That's a kingly move, you see me? Yeah, cause you know the youths are probably afraid to approach you, so him approach them. Yeah, so again, people, if a real talk me I make, wanna know how it go. Drop a real talk in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. And if you can afford it, the link to the PayPal I got there in the comment section so you can drop me a PayPal if a real talk me I make. I am DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.